Okay, this is my last flare right here. You guys ready?
You gotta move that camera back.
No,
to capture.
No, come on.
Oh, okay.
I just want it.
Gotcha.
All right, guys, ready? It's lit.
The deed is done.
It's gonna be loud. You might want to get back and watch this go.
I'm in the weeds.
Because when it goes, it's going.
I'm in the weeds.
Bye, Jonah. Here we go. You'll hear it.
You want to grab your thing?
Jonah, I don't think it's lit. Go check.
No, it's lit.
Hey, if you want a fan effect, make sure it goes.
It's going.
It's the 30 seconds that I got. I made myself trying to watch that. 30 seconds. Well, that's what he's standing right next to it. You'll hear it go. Is it about ready? I know the battery's low. Oh! There we go. You can see it getting closer. Come on. Nice block. Oh, I put like a 10 foot on there. Believe me, it'll go on the smoke.
I see the guard's legs glowing.
That's a good sign.
Is that your party light?
It's a good sign. Oh, yeah.
How close to yourself, right?
It's about there.
I mean, if we know
Yeah, if you want the fan effect, come on to this side.
the camera light is directly
Dude, it's in there. It's got to be going now.
Ah! Here, dude. Look at that lightning out there. Yeah, it's the best show ever.
There we go. There we go.
What the heck?
He said that was better than Nashville.
Bang! You let it burn?
Woo! Look at all the smoke. Good God. Dude, it was raining ash in my head, dude.
Dude, that was amazing.
Man, that's big.
Woo!
Should I put
Look
that
at all
out?
that, dude. Look at my trailer, dude. This is.
Is it black?
Dude, yeah. Look at this.
That's it.
Good God.
That was sweet.